The 2012-2013 Jaguar XF. Jaguar brought out the XF back in 2008 as a replacement model for the old S-Type in 2008. 3 years later, and it's time for the luxury sedan to get a little refreshing in the form of a facelift. The revised XF made its debut today at the New York Auto Show and will be followed by diesel and station wagon versions at the Frankfurt Motor Show in September. The facelift XF will come with revised front and rear end styling inspired by the XJ sedan. It will also get new engines, including a diesel. The new Ford PSA-developed 2200cc engine is the same one that will be used for the Range Rover Evoque and will deliver a total of 187 HP. The engine will come with a ZF 8-speed automatic gearbox that will send the power to the rear wheels. And since it is equipped with start-stop technology, the new engine will emit less than 130 grams per kilometer of CO2. Update: the 3rd of July 2012, Jaguar is joining the likes of many other automakers as it focuses more on turbocharged V6 engines, rather than standard V8s. That's right, in 2012, Jaguar is axing the standard V8 in the XF sedan. Taking its place at the base of the XF lineup is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, which is a Ford design, that pumps out 240 horsepower and 251 pound-feet of torque. The changes don't stop there on the 2013 XF, as Jaguar is also adding in an optional 3.0-liter V6 with a supercharger that punches out 340 ponies and 332 pound-feet of torque. The XF will still have its trio of V8 engines available as options, so if you are looking for a little more oomph, you can opt for one of the V-8s, which crank out between 385 and 510 horsepower. More details on the Jaguar XF after the jump. Exterior. The exterior of the 2012 XF features a revised grille, hood, and front fenders, which incorporates new triangular side vents. The supercharged version gets louvers featuring the supercharged script, while the headlamps now incorporate bi-function HID xenon technology. The LED daytime running lights are arranged in a distinctive Jaguar J-blade signature. At the rear, the XF also gets redesigned tail lamps that extend onto the central portion of the trunk lid and a redesigned trunk lid trim with a gloss black lower edge for a cleaner appearance. For 2012, Jaguar will offer the XF in 3 new exterior colors with a new set of alloy wheels size 18 inches to 20 inches. The XF has rightly been recognized as a quintessential Jaguar sedan. It is purposeful yet elegant, with inherent sporting intent in its design. For the latest version we have been able to evolve and enhance that performance character. Ian Callum, Design Director, Jaguar Cars. Interior. The XF's interior design has always been a favorite of ours since we first tested the vehicle, but for 2012, the interior has been further improved with high-end materials and new technologies. The front and rear seats have been redesigned to incorporate a hoop design element on the seat and backrest that improves their appearance and support. The company is now offering a new color combination and a revised color scheme on the center console, dashboard, and steering wheel, where buttons and switchgear have a more luxurious soft-feel black paint finish. The tungsten finish is replaced by a more contemporary Aurora theme. The list of technologies includes a 7-inch touchscreen with a new polarizing filter for improved contrast, addition buttons, and a revised graphics palette. Engine. Jaguar will be offering a number of engine options for the new XF, including a choice of 3 diesel powertrains and 2 petrol versions. For the diesel, you can opt for a 2.2-liter, 4-cylinder turbocharged engine that produces 187 horsepower and 332 pounds-per-foot of torque with a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 8.5 seconds and a top speed of 142 miles per hour. More powerful than that is the 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged engine with 237 horsepower and 368 pounds-per-foot of torque, good enough for a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 7.1 seconds and a top speed of 149 miles per hour. Then there's the 3.0-liter V6 twin-turbocharged engine that produces 275 horsepower and 442 pounds-per-foot of torque, which translates to a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 6.4 seconds and a top speed of 155 miles per hour. As for the two petrol engines, you have a choice between a 5.0-liter V8 and a 5.0-liter turbocharged V8. The former comes with 385 horsepower and 380 pounds-per-foot of torque with a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 5.7 seconds and an electronically limited top speed of 155 miles per hour, whereas the latter hits 510 horsepower and 461 pounds-per-foot of torque with a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of just 4.9 seconds and an electronically limited top speed of 155 miles per hour. Prices. With different trim options come different price quotes. In the case of the XF, the price for the diesel versions will range from £30,950 $49,915 for the 2.2-liter version, £36,950 $59,600 for the 3.0-liter twin-turbo and £42,950 $62,200 for the top-of-the-line diesel trim. Meanwhile, the two petrol versions will sell for £49,950 $80,500 for the 5.0-liter V8 and £65,350 $105,320 for the 5.0-liter turbocharged V8. Competition. The Jaguar XF can easily do battle with models like the BMW 5 Series and the Audi A6. The BMW 5 Series has recently been revised in all aspects and, on the US market, is offered in either 535i or 550i. The 535i is by a powered BMW twin-power turbo using high-precision injection and valvetronic variable valve timing that cranks out 306 HP, while the 550i is powered by a 407 HP 8-cylinder engine. The Audi A6 gets a 3.0 TFSI engine with 300 HP and 440 Nm of torque. However, when it comes to the design, the XF seems to be the most elegant vehicle of the bunch. Love it improved exterior look, luxury interior, new technologies. Leave it, we love to see an improved engine.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.